Hello. I will discuss degree plans for the Social and Behavior Sciences Department. We have in our degree plan 5 areas: Area 1, Area 2, Area 3, Area 4, and Area 5. In Area 1, you have 2 courses that are required. In Area 1, we have written composition. If you look to the right, you will see how many hours are required to complete this area. There's 6 hours required. The 6 hours are English 101, which is English Composition 1, and English 102, which is English Composition 2. English 101 is a prerequisite for English 102. Now, let's look at Area 2. In Area 2, we have the Humanities and the Fine Arts. The total hours required to complete this area is 12. 3 of those hours: Speech 107, the Fundamentals of Public Speaking. For literature, we have English 251 and 252, American Literature, or English 261 and 262, English Literature. Those are 6 hours. The other area here, you have Humanities and Fine Arts elective. You can choose one of these courses. You can choose Art, Foreign Languages, Humanities, Music, Philosophy, Religion, and Theater from our STAR system. That's worth 3 credit hours. In Area 3, you have the Natural Sciences or Mathematics, which are worth 11 hours. If you want to complete this area, 3 of those hours are in Math, which is 110. It's finite or higher. And then the other 8 hours are both parts of either biology, chemistry, geography, physical science, or physics, and that's also from the STAR system. That will total your 11 hours. I do want to mention that if you have any prerequisite courses for Math 110, those courses are not a part of the degree plan. Now, let's go to Area 4. In Area 4, we have History and Social and Behavior Sciences. It takes 12 hours to complete this area. For History, we have History 101 and 102, History of Western Civilization, or History 201 and 202, which is United States History. That is worth 6 credit hours. If you look below, you have Psychology, which is 200, Psychology 200, which is 3 hours, and you have Social and Behavior Sciences. You can choose from Economics, Geography, Political Science, Psychology, and Sociology. That's also worth 3 credit hours. Now, I do want to explain something about Area 2 and Area 4. In Area 2, you have Literature, and in Area 4, you have History. You can interchange these courses. If you take History 101 and 102, you only have to take 1 literature course. Or you can take 2 literature courses and 1 history. But you must remember you have to total 12 hours. So if you choose to take 1 literature and 2 histories, you still need another 3 hours in this area. So you choose another Humanities and Fine Art elective. If you look in Area 4, if you choose to take 1 history and 2 literatures, then you still must complete a total of 12 hours, which means you'll have to select another course in Area 5 to fulfill the 12 that you need. Now, look at Area 5. These are our major courses. It depends on what your major is as to what your elective courses will be. There are certain courses, though, that will be required for every major in Social and Behavior Sciences. The first one is the CIS 146, Micro Computer Applications. That's a 3-hour course. And you also have 2 1-hour PED activity courses. The CIS 146 course is worth 3 hours. The 2 1-hour PED activity courses are worth 2 hours, but they're worth 1 hour each. So you have to take 2 activity courses. Activity courses are courses that you will not take sitting in your seat. You will actually move around some. So that means you'll be taking badminton, golf, aerobics, swimming, those kinds of things, weightlifting, those 1-hour courses. Down below, you also have Reading 114A. It's critical reading for college, and that's worth 3 hours. And then you will be able to choose your elective courses. Some of them are specified, and some of them you will choose right here. It depends on what your major is as to what courses will actually be in this area that you must take, along with courses that you can choose from. There's also another elective here in area 5. It has to be an approved elective that you must take as well. The total hours that you must have for the Social and Behavior Sciences Department are 61 to 64 hours to complete this program. That explains the degree plan for the Social and Behavior Sciences Department.